how to cancel order on TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to cancel an order that you have made in TikTok Shop. So we're here right now. Currently, I'm in my TikTok Shop. First, go to orders. We're here and navigate to the one that you have purchased. For example, this one. You will have the option cancel order at the bottom right, as you can see. Simply click cancel order and then simply select the option that you want to choose. Click on continue and continue again, submit. And then through that, as you can see, I even got a notification that I have canceled my order. And then you can see the reason why the cancellation was performed. Then you have all the other information that is necessary, like request number, request date, all kinds of information such as that. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.